Working with users. Users are managed by someone who is assigned the admin role within AuditMatic. The admin role grants access to the manager interface. Users are the individuals who will be logging in and using AuditMatic via online or offline methods. Each user has a profile that contains permission settings, email address, login, and other information. Admins have the ability to create, edit, and delete users. They may also place users into user-defined roles. User-defined roles, UDRs, are a way for AuditMatic end users to create and define their own groups of AuditMatic users. End users may use UDRs to assign tasks, give access to data tables and charts, and other functions within AuditMatic. Group access control may also be enabled within a user profile. When a user or someone with report runner role runs data tables and charts, the results will be limited to the groups that are selected in the Group Access Control settings. Accessing the Users tab. From the AuditMatic homepage, click Manager. The AuditMatic Manager page appears. Select the appropriate group from the Current Groups panel. Click Users. The Users tab appears. Creating Users. From the Users tab, click Add New User. The Add New User window appears. Type in the appropriate information. This field is used to type in a user's first name. This field is used to type in a user's last name. This field is used to type in a user's optional email address. Login name. This field is used to type in the login name the user will have. Use any combination of letters and whole numbers. Password. Use any combination of letters and whole numbers. You can provide a temporary password in many cases, since the user can reset their password after they log in for the first time. Confirm password. This field is used to retype the user's password. If the two boxes do not match, the password will have to be re-entered. Inherit time zone. Select the checkbox for this user to inherit the time zone of their group. Otherwise, select the appropriate time zone from the drop-down menu. Roles. Select the appropriate checkbox beside each role you wish to grant to the user. User roles and permissions. AuditMatic has created various roles based on how a user operates within the system. These assigned roles are represented by green icons at the top right corner of the AuditMatic home page to the left of your name. In addition to roles, users can have specific permission settings. These permission settings control what an AuditMatic user can do with completed forms. Users can have one or multiple roles and permissions. AuditMatic administrators are responsible for assigning user roles and permissions. User roles. A report runner has the ability to launch reports from charts as well as export data from pre-built reports at their hierarchy level and below. A report runner will only see data tables and charts created above them if the user shared the data table or chart. An auditor has the ability to launch and fill out forms created by form editors. An auditor can only see forms that have been created at their hierarchy level and below. They may also see forms created above them if the form has been shared. A report editor has the ability to create, edit, and delete reports at their hierarchy level and below. A form editor has the ability to create, edit, and delete forms at their hierarchy level and below. An administrator has the ability to create, edit, and delete groups and users at their hierarchy level and below. A task editor has the ability to create, edit, and delete tasks at their hierarchy level and below. A task reporter has the ability to run reports on tasks that have been created by the task editors. User permissions. Show Change History allows the user to view and toggle between the most recent completed form answers and all previous answers. A user also has the ability to print completed forms with or without showing the change history. Show Skipped Question allows the user to view and toggle between answered and skipped questions within a completed form. A user has the ability to print completed forms with or without showing the skipped questions. View Other Users' Completed Forms allows the user to view completed forms by all users versus only being able to view their own. Select the appropriate permissions checkboxes. Click Save to continue or click Cancel to exit without saving your changes. Searching for a user. From the Users tab, type your search criteria in View located in the top right corner of the tab. You can search by either part or full user name. Click Search. The screen refreshes and the search results appear in the Users tab. To remove the search results, clear the search criteria and click on the Search button again. Editing Users. From the Users tab, click on the username. The Edit User window opens. Edit the appropriate information. Click Save to continue or click Cancel to exit without saving your changes. Adding users to a defined role. From the Users tab, click on the username. The Edit User window opens. Select the appropriate checkbox in the User Defined Roles section. Click Save to continue or click Cancel to exit without saving your changes. Removing users from a defined role. From the Users tab, click on the username. The Edit User window opens. Deselect the appropriate checkbox in the User Defined Roles section. Click Save to continue or click Cancel to exit without saving your changes. Enabling group access control and modifying the group access list. From the Users tab, click on the username. Select the Enable Group Access Control checkbox in the Group Access Control section. Click Modify Group Access List. Click Move beside the groups that you want to view their information when running data tables and charts. The groups appear in the right panel. Click Cancel beside any group's information you do not want to see when running data tables and charts. Deleting users. From the Users tab, select the checkbox beside the appropriate user to delete. Click Trash, a confirmation window opens. Click Trash to continue or click Cancel to exit without saving your changes.